Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing for this Lightpad here. I got contacted by a seller on Amazon to review this Lightpad for them. It's called VKTEKLAB. I normally don't accept the Lightpad reviews, mainly because I don't use a Lightpad, but my mom, who has really gotten into diamond painting, she loves my light pad. So at least my old light pad was getting used. But then I was like, you know what? I was like, do you want to try a bigger light pad? She's like, okay. And what's nice is I think this light pad is also one of those with a rechargeable battery. It does say there is a 2500 mAh lithium battery, which I'm guessing it'll be kind of similar to a cell phone, because I think lots of cell phones are 4,000 or 5,000 in their battery, I'm pretty sure. So it's supposed to be a rechargeable battery, so you'll be able to work on this without wires, which is great. And it says there's 6 levels of a bracket. So that's what I also saw, that I thought this was interesting, and why I also said yes is it does have its own stand here. And built-in 6 levels of brightness and stepless adjustable brightness. So I do have all my lights on right now, so if I need to, hopefully I'll be able to. So it looks like it does come with the cord here. Oh, this is not a micro USB. It looks like it's the new type of USB. I forgot what it's called. Is this like the USB-C? I don't know. I should just stop talking. Stop talking about things you don't know. So, wow, this is huge. I have an A4 light pad, so A3 is a bigger light pad. Just putting the box down here. So, let's see. Let's see, blah, 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 blah. So it does say it's 425 by 343 by 12 millimeters. Okay, so. And this supposedly is magnetic. Does that mean the rest of it is magnetic? Let me see. No, not the rest of it does not seem. Yeah, the rest of it is not magnetic, but this thing is magnetic. And I guess there's a magnet around here, but it's only around this part here. But it seems like the outside of this is magnetic too, so maybe if you needed something bigger, you could still use this as a magnet. Just testing that out, and there is a film over it. I'm not going to take it out yet. Let's see if it'll turn on. Oops, so it does already. I'm gonna turn off some of my lights and see so that it, hopefully, turn off some of my lights. I apparently have a lot of lights on. So it does look like, okay, so it seems like this button here changes the kind of light, because they said there's supposed to be a white light, a warm light, and a yellow light. So that looks like white. That looks like warm, maybe, or yellow. Okay, no, see. This might be white. This looks like the yellow light, and then this looks like the white light. So it does seem like there's a couple different. So this one is the yellow light, and then this will increase the intensity of the light here. So lots of extras. So at least I didn't need to plug this in. I wonder if this is like a cell phone too, that if it runs out of the battery, you can just plug it in and it'll work. Probably. Hopefully. I don't know. So in case you want to know how big this is, it looks like it's 42 centimeters across, or about 16.5 inches by about a little bit more than 13 inches by 33.5. but the actual part that's light looks like this is about 38.5 centimeters by 30 centimeters. Or a little bit less than 12 by a little bit more than 15. So I have a diamond painting here. Oh yeah, I forgot. This one just changes what kind of light. So let's just do the first white, and then yeah, it does seem to work. And what I like about it is it doesn't have the dots. I've seen some light pads have like the dots in the background. This looks like it's not. And let's try out the stand here. So not sure about, we'll see. Let's try it out. I mean, it doesn't seem like the, actually it's not bad. I'm pushing on it and it doesn't seem that bad. So as long as you're not like a crazy, like, let's lean my whole body weight on there. So there is that there. So this is the height, no, this is the highest it will go, but it will go as low as, it looks like this amount here. So it's only slightly elevated. So let's see. I'm not going to be diamond painting, but for funsies, I'm putting a little bit of weight on it. I don't want to break it. But it's not, oh, and it has, I noticed over here, there's some rubber stoppers here. These are rubber, so it does help it from not slipping as much, which is nice. Because I was trying to get it to see if it was going to slip by putting my weight on it, but it wasn't moving. So that is nice. So yeah, I have in the past used because I have a drafting table. I have in the past used a drafting table, but I don't use it anymore because I like to put my drills right next to it. But if you're one of those ones who like to work on the drafting table, you would just have to like hold your tray most of the time if you want to put it near. But I think this will work as long as you don't put your whole weight on it. And I think even if you press hard, it should be fine. And there do seem to be some stoppers. So yeah. Oh, and my thing should be much brighter if I took off the protective film, but I have not taken the protective film out. So yeah, I think it's interesting. I like how it does have the built-in stand, so you don't have to have an extra. It is much bigger, so this is, if you wanted to do a whole 30 by 40, it should be good for a 30 by 40. If it's bigger than that, might be a little bit more difficult. I'm gonna go get a bigger one. So here's a long picture here. I'm not sure how well the magnet thing would work, but we could just take it off. So what I did was I just left the magnet there, but if you get another magnet, you could use that to hold it up. So it would be good with a use of 2 magnets, like to hold it up. See, I just have another magnet there. So that thing is still magnetized, but I do have these clips, these sewing clips that I got that I've seen people use to hold diamond paintings onto a light pad, and it looks like it will work if you don't want to do the magnet, but the magnet does still seem to work. You just have to get a separate magnet, because I'm not sure about the clip thing working, because if it's bigger and you're going to do this, I mean, yeah, I guess you could do that, and it does hold it. It doesn't seem to be dragging. If it's a bigger one, there are ways to do the bigger ones, where you can like roll the bottom or something so that you could do the bigger ones. But I think you can do the bigger ones if you do have an extra magnet to hold it help hold it up. But yeah, I think this will. It is much bigger than my previous Lightpad, so which I would get out, but my mom is currently diamond painting on the other room, and I don't want to disturb her diamond painting. So yeah, the magnet for the bigger ones, you could just get another magnet, and you'll be able to use it. So yeah. See, I'm one of those people who don't take these protective films off. I don't know why, but I'll take it off. My thermostat still has its protective film, and my dad's like, why do you still have this on? Sorry if you don't like the sound. So yeah, I think it's much brighter now. And yeah, I think this would be great, especially if you want to illuminate the whole thing. And it's also great if you want to, you know, diamond paint a bigger diamond painting and not have to put it around your... I wonder, will this clip in if I don't want to use it? Okay, that does. So if you don't want to use it, it will clip in to the back there. And it does look like the charger is here, and it is using the, because most of my chargers are the old type of USB, and this is the new type of USB. So yeah, at least they do give this charger here, but I do like that I could work on it without a charger here. So yeah, so thank you to VKTEKLAB for sending this item for review. I will link, did I say how much this thing is? Right now, I'm looking at it today, which is the day before this is getting posted. It's at $68.90. And there is currently a 20% off coupon there, which would put this at about $55.12. So yeah, I'll put all the links below. And so thank you to VKTEKLAB for sending this item for review. And thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!